Today we'll talk about how can you enable Vibrate on your score planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, click on it here. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, or notifications. You click here on notifications here, then you come to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on sound and vibration, just click on it, come to this list here. So then you go down, just come here to Vibrate, clicking this sign. But like you see this color show for us, that's me here. Vibrate enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.